You're not going to want to believe what I'm about to tell you, but it's all true. And if you use CBD or you're thinking of starting a home business, you're going to want to listen to what I have to tell you. Hello, and welcome to Main Street Digital Academy. As we make all our instructional videos on how to make products for home and bath business on YouTube, I've also received inquiries about learning how to make CBD products. They knew we had been manufacturing approximately 25 different CBD products for almost 8 years. Gummies, creams, balms, and bath bombs, etc. You name it, you can make it just about any bath and body item into a CBD product. As my wife and I transition into retirement, I'm willing to teach you how to make CBD products that you use now that can save you up to 90% on what you're paying now if you just want to make it for yourself, or give you upwards of 90% profits on many of your products if you want to start a CBD business or a great home business. Now, I just looked up online several of the largest CBD product retailers. As an example, I pulled pricing from two of them who sell 1,000 milligram tinctures. One sells it for $60 and the other company for $90. Three of them sell 1,500 milligram tinctures, $89.99, $49.99, and one very large business was $119.90. All are basically the same product, and just about all offer a 20% discount if you subscribe for a monthly subscription. Now, I'm going to tell you about how much it costs to make or manufacture these products. As you can see, the retail prices are all over the place for basically the same item. But here's the secret and the key to your success. Hemp-derived, federally legal CBD costs the manufacturers less than 1/10 of 1 cent per milligram. That means 10 milligrams cost about 1 cent, and 1,000 milligrams cost about $1 or less. So if you take a 1,000 milligram tincture, say it costs $1 in CBD, add the bottle, the MCT oil, the dropper, and the bottle seal for maybe another $1, and that's the actual physical cost of that product. Now, I know you're thinking, I can't get pre-measured CBD oil at those prices. But what if you could get it at 1 cent per milliliter? That's 1,000 milligrams for $10 instead of $60 or $90. Or what if you could get 1,000 milligrams for a half cent per milliliter? That's $5 instead of $60 or $90. Well, you can. You can reduce your cost of CBD by about 90%. And if you start a business, you can put CBD oil in just about every bath and body product you can learn to make, along with other products, and be making your own CBD products in no time at all. And remember, this is federally legal hemp-derived CBD, legal everywhere. Now, the U.S. market is around $8 billion now and projected to reach $15.3 billion by 2030. This is a huge market with no indication of it slowing down, and there's always room for one more manufacturer. Or if you just want to learn to make the products for yourself, which are fairly easy, you can save a ton of money. Now, I don't know if there's a lot of people wanting to learn how to make CBD products, but it is probably one of the best businesses to go into, or products to learn to make to save money on for yourself. And I don't want to waste my time making all the videos showing how to make them unless there are enough people who want to learn from them. So if I can get 100 or so people to like this video and subscribe and tell me in the comments the item they want to learn the most, I'll do it. And then you will be notified when I make them. So let me know by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. And let me know in the comments what product or products you'll be wanting to learn first. I'll be waiting, so let me know. Till then, this is Main Street Digital Academy signing off for now. Have a great day.